So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Carry the penguin home and it's safe. Oh, Cuzzies, you snuck up on me. Oh, come quick, I'm on a really exciting mission today. Today, I'm gonna build a giant pukoro. I'm gonna build a giant slingshot that can hit targets from all the way up here down to there in the paddock. This is gonna be amazing! Check out all the materials I've collected. Tuatahi, I have some latex tubing. I'm gonna use this as the elastic bands for my slingshot. Check it out, they're really stretchy. Aotearoa, I have some really strong fabric. I'm gonna use this as the pouch for my ammo. Oh, speaking of ammo, what am I gonna use for ammo? Oh! I could use the swing set. Hang on a second. Nah. Oh, what about the tires? No. I could use this cone. Oh, maybe not. Ha-ha. Oh, maybe not. What's over there? Oh, what's in here? Aha! Tuatoru! I'm going to use this portal as my ammunition. They're nice and soft too. Hey, I met someone called Ammunition before. I said, kia ora, I'm Buzz. And they said, ko am, oh. Tuafa! I will be using these buckets as my targets to hit. I've got 3 buckets. Tai, rua, toru. Ooh. Finally, I'll be using my old swing set as the foundation for my slingshot. Now all I have to do is build my pukoro and set up the targets. Oake tātou! Ka pai! So first, I'm going to set up my latex tubing. I have 4 pieces of latex tubing. Now I'm going to feed it through our fabric. Check it out, my cuzzies. Oh, it looks like a jellyfish.
Jellyfish, jellyfish.
Okay, now to secure it to our swing set. Gonna tie this side right here. That's perfect. It's not going nowhere. All right, let's do the other side. Check that out! That's our slingshot! Okay, now to make sure our swing set isn't gonna move anywhere. Oh, that's gonna work beautifully. Kawanike. Now to set up my targets. All right, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Hara mai tētahi āhua. Fantastic! This is gonna be amazing! Okay. All righty, tighty. We are almost ready to fire our pukoro. The last step is safety. Slingshots are very powerful, so we need to make sure myself and anyone around me are as safe as possible when using it. The first thing I do is make sure no people or animals are in the way of the slingshot. Check! Hee! Oh, now what I do is I tell anyone around me that I'm about to fire the slingshot. Hey, Dad!
Hello, Buzz.
I'm gonna start firing my slingshot!
Okay.
Do you want to have a go?
Maybe later. Be safe, though.
Okay, let's do it, my cuzzies. Last but not least, I'm going to put on my lucky Mohiti Haumaru. Safety goggles! Ready to go! All right, my cuzzies. The first thing I do is load the ammo into the pouch, and then I pull back really hard and let it go. The elastic captures all the energy, and when I release it, the portal will go flying towards the target. Let's do it! Okay, if my calculations are correct, and they usually are, I need to aim right about here. All right, cousins, count down with me. Toru, rua, tai, tupu! Oh, tata, that was close. My calculations have deceived me. Oh, well, just a few little adjustments and I'm sure I'll hit the targets. Let's do it again. Take two. Go! Oh, that one was even closer. So close I could taste it. Come on, Buzz, you can do this. This one is for my tupuna. Look at what I have created! Me, Buzz, make big buko! Oh, Dad, did you see that? Yes! Do you want to have a go?
Oh, come on then.
Now, Dad, you need to be safe, okay? It's a lot harder than it looks. It actually took me a few times to get it right.
Listen here, Goggles. You don't know what my nickname is.
Is your nickname Slingshot?
Nah, bro. It's the man.